Recovering permanently deleted files from Google Drive can be a challenging task, but it is not impossible. To start with, it is essential to understand that Google Drive has a trash folder where all deleted files are stored for a certain period before being permanently deleted. First, sign in to your Google Drive account and look for the trash folder on the left sidebar. If you can see the file you want to recover in the trash folder, you can simply right-click on the file and select Restore. This will move the file back to its original location. If the file is not in the trash folder, you may still be able to recover it using Google Drive's backup and version history features. To do this, navigate to the folder where the file was originally located and right-click on the folder. Select Manage Versions and then look for the version of the file you want to recover. If you are unable to recover the file using the above methods, you may need to contact Google Drive support for further assistance. They may be able to recover the file for you, but this is not guaranteed. To contact Google Drive support, go to the Google Drive help page and click on Contact Support. It is also important to note that to minimize the risk of losing files in the future, you should regularly back up your Google Drive files to an external hard drive or another cloud storage service. Additionally, be careful when deleting files and make sure you are not accidentally deleting important files. In conclusion, recovering permanently deleted files from Google Drive requires a combination of understanding how Google Drive works and using the available features to recover deleted files. By following the steps outlined above and taking steps to minimize the risk of losing files in the future, you can ensure that your important files are safe and easily recoverable.